So today I'm going to be looking at drawing Slug Cat from Rain World. Rain World's this interesting game. You play as this Slug Cat, who's this procedurally animated cat-like creature who fluidly moves through the various stages of this far-flung distant future that's just been devastated from whatever calamity came before. And in its current state, it's this hostile ecosystem of creatures that are all fighting for their survival in between these intermittent deluges of rain that sort of wipe out everything that's not gone into hiding. So you move between these cycles of fighting for your life and seeking out food, while also predicting these rain cycles and trying to find your way to safety. It's a really interesting game. The way the ecosystems exist, they sort of seem like they persist after you've exited a stage, and when you come back, it seems to sort of just continue on. So it sort of feels like everything is ambivalent to your existence, and the fight for survival goes on. So anyways, I'm just going to continue drawing here for the next few sketches and play some music, and we can come back at the end to see how it all went. Okay, so here's where I ended up with these. I'm fairly happy with the outcome. The first one here I feel like is maybe the weakest link involved. A few of the others have nice sort of gestures. Some of these, like this guy, I think he's pretty cool, but he maybe he's really off model perhaps, and doesn't really read as Slug Cat. This one here, texturally it was fun, but maybe it looks a little bit like a T-Rex or something. But yeah, it was kind of fun playing with the character in sort of it's basically like a little bag of flour with a sort of rabbit cat head. And I guess this is sort of like a lizard or dinosaur tail, but yeah, either way, it's pretty cool. These more cartoony character drawings that have been sort of chipping away at in the game development sort of spectrum have been kind of cool, and gets me out of the habit of just drawing human characters all the time. So yeah, these were pretty fun to do. Maybe sometime in the future I would consider doing some of the other creatures in there, because there's a lot of cool content in the game. So yeah, maybe it's worth a revisit. But for now, thanks for watching again, and see you next time.